Are you passionate about art and dream of showcasing creativity in Malaysia? Starting an art gallery could be your perfect business venture. Malaysia's growing art scene is attracting collectors, tourists, and investors. From traditional batik paintings to modern digital art, galleries are becoming cultural hubs that celebrate both local and international talent. To start your art gallery in Malaysia, begin by registering your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. Choose the right business structure, whether a sole proprietorship, partnership, or private limited company, depending on your investment size and goals. Next, secure a suitable gallery space in a high-traffic or cultural area. You'll need to comply with local council licensing, fire safety regulations, and building permits. Promoting your gallery through social media, art fairs, and collaborations will help you build a strong following. You can also earn revenue by selling art, renting gallery space for exhibitions, or hosting private art events. Ready to turn your passion into a business? Let 3E Accounting Malaysia guide you through the process, from company registration to business licensing.